Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we're walking you through the setup process for the TP-Link TL-WR820N wireless router. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or just need a refresher, this video covers all the essential steps. Let's get started. First things first, let's unbox the TP-Link TL-WR820N. Inside the box, you should find the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. Make sure you have all these items before we proceed. Now, let's connect the router. Start by plugging in the power adapter to the router and then into a power outlet. Once that's done, take the Ethernet cable and connect one end to your modem and the other end to the WAN port on your router. This port is usually highlighted in blue. After all the connections are made, turn on the router. You'll notice the LED indicators on the front panel light up. Wait until the Internet LED turns solid, which indicates a successful connection to your modem. Next, let's connect your computer or mobile device to the router's network. You can do this wirelessly by selecting the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, on your device, which can be found on the label at the bottom of the router, along with the default password. Once your device is connected, open a web browser and type in http://tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. This will take you to the router's login page. Use the default username and password, which are both admin by default, to log in. After logging in, the setup wizard will guide you through the initial configuration. You can change your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password here. Make sure to create a strong password to secure your network. Once you've configured everything to your liking, save the settings. The router might reboot to apply the changes. After rebooting, reconnect your devices to the newly named Wi-Fi network using the updated password. Finally, let's test your internet connection. Open a browser and try loading a web page. If everything is working, you're all set. Your TP-Link TL-WR820N router is now fully configured and ready to